The timber is placed onto a trolley and pushed into the cylinder before the door is sealed. Through the use of a vacuum pump, an initial vacuum is drawn to open the timber's cells and draw the air out of both the cylinder as well as the timber cells. To ensure the air is extracted from the cylinder as well as the wood cells, the vacuum is maintained. This makes it easier for the timber to be suffused with a preservative under a negative pressure. The initial vacuum is maintained while the cylinder is flooded with preservative from the working tank until it is full. This ensures that there is no air or vapor compressed and trapped at the top of the vessel. A pressure cycle is then introduced to ensure proper penetration. The amount of preservative to be added is calculated beforehand. The calculation is based on the volume of the timber in the cylinder and its intended use. The pressure is gradually raised to a specific level and maintained until the required amount of preservative has been pumped into the timber from the measuring tank. The measuring tank's float level is used for readings. Once the pressure is released, the cylinder is emptied. This is done by pumping the preservative back into the working tank, where it will create an overflow into the measuring tank. The final vacuum is then drawn to get rid of any excess chemicals inside the timber. This is done to reduce dripping and leaching of the excess chemical. Once the level indicator on the measuring tank has stabilized, a final reading is taken to verify that the calculated volume of preservative has been retained by the timber. The cylinder door is then opened. The total cycle time is about 1 hour and 40 minutes.